Hello and welcome to the first video about my Java certification. As we can see here, I have my engineering notebook open with my stuff I have learned for my Java certification. I have my stuff I've learned first, the Java origin and evolution, just some history on Java and how it came about. And then after that, I got into actually learning about how to code in Java with the Java basic concepts. And here within the Java basic concepts, I learned that all Java programs have a method called main. I learned how to use comments. I learned about variables and mathematical operators to change variables within the code and how to print things onto the screen for users to see and how to take input from users. And here at the end of that Java basic concepts, there was a code project that I completed where I had to convert days into seconds, or however many days the user inputs into however many seconds it was. And this is how I did it for that code project. I took the days from the scanner, I multiplied it by the mathematical formula, so 24 hours in a day, 60 minutes in an hour, 60 seconds in a minute, which converts the days into seconds, and then it prints that back out. And then once I was done with this code project, I moved on to the conditionals and loops section of the Java certification, where I learned about if statements, if else statements, else statements. I learned about the operators for those to check multiple parameters. And then I learned about switch statements and while loops. So in order to show you what I've learned in full, I created this program here, which takes a number from the user, and depending on what the number is, it'll check if the number is less than 10, and while the number is less than 10, it'll print out cool and then add 1 to the number. But if it's greater than 10, it'll just print awesome. So if we run this code, it'll ask me for some input. I'll type in 4, and as we can see, it starts at 4. And so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times, because 4 is 6 less than 10. It'll print cool 6 times. But if we run the code with the input of 16, it'll just print awesome. And that is what I have learned so far for my Java certification. Thank you so much for watching.